May cancer kasi ako. Kung makakalaan yun, lahat ng tao healthy. Baka hindi pa rin inabot.
It's going to be Duterte.
You're going to appear kasi yung Quadcom ng Congress wants you to appear sa...
Well, if it's their pleasure, why not?
So are you going to...
Yes. Anong gusto niyang malaman sa akin?
They're investigating yung extradition.
Ako, totoo yan.